Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Dark green color, yellow color, purple color, violet color, brown color, light green color, black color, sky blue color, red color, orange color, dark blue color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. Red color. A. A for apple. Orange color. B. B for banana. Light green color. C. C for cherry. Sky blue color. D. D for dragon. Purple color. E. E for elephant. Yellow color. F. F for fish. Violet color. G. G for grapes. Dark green color. H. H for hat. Dark blue color. I. I for ice. Brown color. J. J for jam. Sky blue color. K. K for kite. Orange color. L. L for lollipop. Red color. M. M for mango. Yellow color. N. N for nose. Orange color. O. O for orange. Purple color. P. P for parrot. Light green color. Q. Q for queen. Red color. R. R for rose. Sky blue color S. S for star. Brown color T. T for train. Dark blue color U. U for universe. Violet color V. V for vanilla. Yellow color W. W for watermelon. Orange color X. X for X-ray. Dark blue color Y. Y for yak. Red color Z. Z for zipper. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.